database, first we need to download and install MySQL server. How to download? Observing very clearly, go to MySQL page, MySQL download in the Google simply, and go to MySQL official website page, and go to down here. One option we are getting MySQL community GPL downloads. Simply click on that option. Now select the MySQL installer for Windows. This is an option, MySQL installer for Windows. Select this option. Okay, here select versions. The latest version 8.0.40. Okay, here two options we are getting, either a 2.1 MB file and a 306 MB file. Okay, I want to complete package my requirement. Simply I am selecting second option. Always we are selecting second option. Simply click on the download. Okay, here one option is available. Simply no thanks, just start my download without any account. Now download is started. Now it is downloading. Please wait. Okay, now download is completed. Now I want to try to install. How to install? Go to downloads. Go to downloads. Double click on that downloaded file, MySQL installer file. Simply double click on that file. Okay, at the time of installation or uninstallation, one user access control message we are getting. At that time, click on yes. Okay, now again click on yes. MySQL installer. Now we are getting here different options: server only, either client only, or full completely MySQL shell prompt, Workbench, or everything, and custom. I want to download and install complete MySQL package. At that time, I am selecting full option. Now here I am selecting full option. In that one, we will get a MySQL server, MySQL shell prompt, MySQL router, and MySQL workbench also we are getting. That's why I'm selecting full option and click on the next. Now ready to install, and simply click on the execute. Okay, one by one it is ready to install, and one by one completed. Please wait. Okay, please wait. It is completely installing one by one. Okay, after complete these installation and simply click on the next. Okay, and click on the next. Okay, now simply click on the next. Here click on the next and set the password. We can take any one. Now I'm taken as a one password, but that password, please remember that password is very, very important. Next one. Okay, we can take anything. Here I'm taking some password. We can set your own passwords and simply click on the next and click on the next and click on the next. Okay, click on the execute. Okay, simply click on the finish and click on the next and click on the finish option and click on the next. Now here we can enter your password. Previously we are setting one password and verify that password here. Click on the check option. Click on the check option. Now here we will get one message, connection succeeded. That means we are setting the properly username and password. By default username is a root, that is a root account, and password and connection is succeeded, and click on the next and click on the execute. And finally click on finish and click on the next. Okay, don't enable these options, simply disable that option and click on the finish. It is not a mandatory, for your convenient, and simply click on finish. After installing, now I want to verify MySQL properly installed or not. I want to find the MySQL version. Simply open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. MySQL hyphen version. Okay. Or MySQL hyphen capital V. Now MySQL version is successfully installed. For suppose in the command prompt we are not getting anything, simply go to your MySQL installation folder. Simply in the C drive, okay, program files. Go to program files. Here MySQL folder is available. Go to MySQL server and bin folder. Now open the command prompt in that bin folder. Okay, see program files, your MySQL folder. Under the MySQL folder, MySQL server folder is available. Go to that folder, bin folder is available. After that one, we can verify that one. MySQL hyphen version or MySQL capital V. Okay, that means in my system, MySQL database server successfully installed. Are you clear?